I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrongs. Like I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like I'm grown.
Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. As you can see, I have the Mi Band 6. This is Xiaomi's latest wearable. The Mi Band series has been doing absolutely great. It's one of the highest selling fitness trackers out right now, just because of just the amount of features, how accurate the fitness tracking and everything is, and all of that. I really like what Xiaomi is doing with this Mi Band series. Again, this is the 6th generation, so should be pretty optimized in terms of like fitness tracking and all of the features and the software. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I will leave a link in the description. I got this for around $45. Again, this is priced between $40 and $50, which is an absolute steal for the amount of features and fitness tracking that you're getting. I got mine from AliExpress actually. I do not suggest getting it on Amazon just because people are really getting over charging $70 for like a resold product, so don't suggest getting it on Amazon. This does come in multiple colors. I got the black version because that's the only thing they had like during the time that I ordered, but they do have black, orange, yellow, olive, ivory, and blue. One of the major highlights to this is the upgrade in the screen. So this is now a full screen. It is a 1.56 inch screen, has 450 nits brightness, and it's an AMOLED screen, so this should be very bright and vibrant. I'm really excited to see that. Should come with 60 plus watch faces as well. Okay, so sensors. It does have a blood oxygen sensor on here. It does have a heart rate sensor, a 3-axis accelerometer, and a 3-axis gyroscope for your fitness tracking needs. So it does have 30 fitness modes as well. 6 of those can be automatically detected. Those are running, walking, treadmill, cycling, rowing, and the ellipticals. So you do get a few major health functions in there too, such as sleep tracking, stress monitoring, female health tracking, and then all of that can be tracked in your personal activity intelligent PAI, which is basically just like a standard fitness level tracking. So this does go up to 50 meters deep. It has a 5 ATM water resistance, so you should be able to swim with this. And all of this connects through the Mi Fit app, which is also compatible with Strava, and I'm hoping it's compatible with Google Fit as well. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but that is compatible with Android and iOS. And then another major selling point to this, 14 days of battery life. That's 2 weeks, 1 charge. That's great. So I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting for this forever, so let's get to this unboxing. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox this. Just took the sticker off, so didn't want you guys to see me struggling with that on camera. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a pull tab, so let's take that out. Yeah, I really like the packaging on this. You can see I got the Chinese version, so I can't really read you guys what comes on the packaging, but yeah, they do have like a Chinese and a global version. I got the Chinese version. Hopefully this one has NFC. I know one of the Chinese versions has NFC, but we will see. So it looks like this is the band. Let's see what else comes in here. Okay. Okay, so up top, looks like this is the charging. Open that up in a second. Okay, so it looks like all the instructions are in Chinese as well, so can't really use that, but let's open up the charger now. Okay, so there is the charger. Looks like it has some 2 pins to it. Now let's get to the actual Mi Band. Okay, so this is the Mi Band. Okay, so it looks like it does have like some Chinese, but I'll set this up in a second. So yeah, I'm really liking the design of it. It's a very high quality band, feels very tough, and it's very lightweight. And there are all of your sensors on the back. Let's see how easily the charger gets in there. Let's see if it's magnetic. So it is magnetic, as you can see. So yeah, everything is easy to put together. So I'm gonna set this up now. I'm gonna pause this and download the app. Okay guys, so I just got the app and everything downloaded. I've been playing with this for a few hours now, just sitting at my desk while I'm working, and I'm liking it so far. So again, this is the Mi Fit app. It's easy to find on the Play Store and on the Apple Store. So one thing that I was concerned about, I got the Chinese version, so all of the writing was in Chinese, and as you can see, I did fix that. I thought it was going to be pretty difficult. I thought I was going to have to like configure some things on the watch while trying to like translate everything from Chinese to English, but I didn't have to do that at all. As soon as I downloaded the app, it gave me a prompt to like create a login, and then I was able to choose the language, and that got everything working for me. So as long as the app is English, your Mi Band should be English as well, or whatever language you prefer. So I'm just gonna go through the app really quickly. So it is divided in 3 sections. The first section is like your fitness part. It's called workout. I found it really accurate so far, the Mi Band being really accurate. Haven't really tracked any workouts yet because I haven't been outside today, but I will be doing that, and I will be showing you guys how accurate that is with the full review. I did track my blood oxygen level once. It's been automatically checking my stress levels, and it's been automatically checking my steps as well. So it is a pretty good app, and it does look like everything is working and everything is transferring properly, and I was able to sync it with Google Fit. I'll show you guys how I did that in a second. So yeah, that's the workout section. Next is the friends section. I don't have any friends with the Mi Band, so I won't be really using this. This will be like a way to connect with your friends who also use the Mi Fit app. So this is just your general settings here. Where was I think that's it. Okay, so yeah, under the add accounts, you can add Google Fit. It did say Strava in the description. I know a lot of people like Strava, but I did not see that in the app yet. Maybe it will happen with a future update. Speaking of updates, I did have to update this band to the latest firmware as well. I also did charge it all the way up. I really like the charging animation on this. So now I'm just gonna go to the watch settings. So when you go to the store, these are all of your other watch faces. I didn't really like the ones in the store. I really like the default watch faces a lot more. I did search through all of these. I didn't find like any I really liked. I just think that one looks the most professional, and it's the most useful. It has the date, the steps, and the heart rate. Now to the notifications and reminders. So when you go into there, you get an option to turn off or on your phone calls, and then the app alerts, you can actually get to choose what apps you want to check notifications for. And one thing I do like about it is that it only gives you the options that are supported well with Mi Fit. So a lot of other fitness tracker smartwatches, they'll like try to support every app on your phone, so you get like a lot of unnecessary notifications and things. So yeah, I thought that was really interesting. You do have an idle alert. You can get your text messages, that's the SMS, and then you can, if you have goals set, you can get notifications when you meet those. Vibration is just how your Mi Band will vibrate. You can set up like custom vibrations. Health monitoring, here's just like some of the health settings you can change: heart rate alert, active heart rate, heartbeat, sleep, and stress. Turned a few of those things on. Okay, let's see, band settings. This is interesting. I'll show you guys this in a second. So the display settings, that is how your apps will align vertically, so you can create shortcuts and app shortcuts vertically. And then your shortcut settings is how everything is displayed horizontally. I'll show you that when I go over the actual Mi Band later on. You get some workout settings as well. So you can add or remove any of these. I believe it's 60 plus, they said. Okay, and I think those are all the important workout settings. Lift wrist, that actually works really well. I did notice that. You see it just queued up right there. It does have a night mode, and I have my band on my left wrist. App settings, you have an event reminder, alarm. You can set an alarm. You could change like your weather format from Celsius to Fahrenheit here, and you have a world clock if you find that useful. And that's about it. Those are all of the important settings on the Mi Band and the app. So I will be doing a full review of this and tell you guys what I think of it later. Okay, so now I'm going to go over the UI of the actual band and show you guys how I set it up. So you can tap it to turn it on, or you can flip to turn it on. Sometimes when you flip it that way, it turns off automatically, and you see by the time it gets back, it automatically comes on. The raise to wake is actually really good on this. So I'm just going to show you my setup now. So I did show you how in the app you can set up like what you want to see vertically and then what you want to see like horizontally. Horizontally, these are like primarily your shortcuts. So there's your weather, there's your music, you have a play, pause, skip, and volume. Here are your workouts and notifications. That's how I set it up. Okay, so when you swipe down, you get like actual apps. So there's a settings app, there's a more app. Here are your settings. One setting that I thought was really good, this isn't even on full brightness and the screen is actually still really crisp and beautiful. That's what that OLED does for you. You can see it gets super bright. I'm not going to do that because it doesn't look the best on camera. So there's your settings app. You have a stress app, a breathing app, events app. This is just my setup. I have my stress to track 24/7, so I don't really need to manually do it that much. I have notifications. I did not find blood oxygen to be like that helpful for me, so I did not make that one of my apps. And then it also takes like a long time. It takes like almost a minute for the blood oxygen to go fully through. I'm going to show you how fast the heart rate sensor is though. Let's just, only takes around 10 seconds, I'd say. Okay. It's actually going a little longer than I thought. But I did just take this off and put it back on, so it might be because of that. So 96 beats per minute, and it will tell you like how often you change like heartbeats. There's your PAI. This is basically like tracking your overall fitness for the day. Right now I have 1 out of 20, I believe. There's your status, so you can see how many steps you've taken today. This is just your summary of everything. Burnt 12 calories, traveled 1/5 of a mile. And this tracks to Google Fit perfectly as well. There's your weather. Looks just like the weather shortcut. Get about a week in advance, and then the music. So yeah, that's the UI. As you can see, everything is really responsive. No stutter at all. Xiaomi did a great job with the UI of this watch. It has just all of your necessities, and they don't do too much extra. Like, it's packed with features, but like all of the features are very useful. So it doesn't like bog the band down at all. I really like what they did with the UI of this. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product, I will leave a link in the description, and leave a comment if you have any questions. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah, I just want you to be strong.